Hello everyone.
Hey everyone.
Welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, this is my world famous, not going out, staying in, staying out, going out. World famous Alan Partridge.
I can't keep up with it. This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. Are we in lockdown? Aren't we in lockdown? Are we being vaccinated? Aren't we being vaccinated? COVID.
Hello everyone.
Hey everyone.
Stressed at all, isn't it? You sound a little bit stressed out, bro.
Oh, yeah, I guess you a bit, doesn't it, bro? I guess you a bit.
It's a bit.
I know what.
Look at me.
I know, not.
No, I don't watch it. I'm not sitting in the no news on my house whatsoever.
I know what will get me out of it though.
Go on.
Beer.
Beer is the answer to everything.
So, what's on the scores tonight, then, bro?
A range of beers from around the world, across the bar, shall we say.
Oh, right. Should we go straight in? Which end are we starting?
Let's start at this end.
Mangrove Jacks.
This is a new one from Mangrove Jacks. It's a limited range. So it says, I think it says limited range on there.
Mangrove Jacks Craft Series of Beer Making Mango Pale Ale.
No, yeah. Mango.
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 Mango. Oh, yeah, Dicky. Mango. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Hopefully you can.
Let me do a description now. What should we tasting?
Tasting notes. Bursts of juicy mango notes combined with citrus and tropical hop aroma. This pale ale is refreshing and moderately dry on the palate. Finished with a smooth and delicately bitter finish. Pours golden with a white fluffy head.
Golden with a white
White
fluffy
fluffy
head.
head. Hey. Tells you yeast, tells you, Citra. I'm going to like this, aren't I? And Azaka. Bitterness, IBU, golden, 23 litres. We've seen these packs before, got loads of info on the front there.
Yeah.
So,
but you do need another bag of malt extract with that, or an enhancer of some kind.
okie dokie.
As well, to get it to the, I think it's 5.8%. I don't know what percentage that is.
4.7.
4.7.
4.7. Price?
I don't know, about 20 quid I think they are.
Okie dokie. Plus another
Yes.
set. Right,
Yes.
okay.
You do get obviously hops for dry hopping in there and the yeast to add as well.
Lovely.
Etc. etc.
Lovely. Straightforward, easy brew then, that one, isn't it, bro?
Oh yeah, we do like an easy brew.
Easy brew. Ooh. Right then.
Yeah, I can get around that.
Golden with a white fluffy head.
And instantly getting some mango fruit, citrusy nose.
Yeah, more citrus than mango. Well, I suppose mango is mango a citrus fruit.
It's melon, isn't it?
I don't know. Viewers? Anyway.
I've seen for ages on that their own brewing community on Facebook about people sticking mango into their beer. I'm not knowing if I'm a fan or not until I tried one about a year, well, I say a year back, probably a lot more than that now, at a beer festival. And I did like it. It was like refreshing, but at the same time I didn't know how much of it I could drink. So we'll see what this one's like.
I'm going in.
Go in.
Let's go. Cheers.
Oh,
that's cracking.
That's cracking. That's like tropical fruit juice, alcoholic.
Well, you say that, but I'm not getting a big slap of mango.
I am.
But I am getting quite a bit of finish to it.
Yeah, quite dry bit of finish at the back, isn't there?
Very much. It's light, it's refreshing, it's golden, it's fruity. I like it. My brother's not quite so sure.
Do you know, the first mouthful you have of that, you think, wow, this is great. It's mango, there's tropical fruits in there. And then the dry bitterness comes to the back of the throat. And now it's tasting like an unfine beer, that kind of grassiness you get from an unfine beer.
Oh, I think you're being unfair. Harsh there, bro. I'm not getting that. I love that. I think that's cracking.
I don't know how much of that I could drink, for fair.
I'll be drinking that then, viewers. And I'm going straight in with a 10 out of 10 for me. He's not.
No, I'm not. I think that's a great beer. And the mouthful feels great, and I can't tell it's an own brew kit and all the rest of it. But as drinking wise, I don't think I'll drink more than a pint before I want.
I do.
You know what?
Because the only thing I want to do.
I can't drink no more of that.
Is slurp it, because it's so dry. You think, oh, that's nice. I have to slurp it more. I like it. I should have bought a barrel round text mine.
You should have, because you've had as much as that as you like.
I like it.
No, to be fair, I think it's a 9 out of 10. But like I say, I don't think I could probably drink more than a pint without having to have something else.
Cracking beer. You're wrong. Moving swiftly on. What are we going for next then, bro?
Well, as soon as I didn't give it a 10 out of 10, it can't go on the 12 beer kits with Partridge.
No, it's got to be a 10 out of 10 for both of us, I think, anyway. Really crack onto the board there. Definitely.
Right, so We're going to Ireland
I
now.
will agree with you. He's got a very dry aftertaste.
We're going to Ireland now. We're going to go and still with Mangrove Jacks. We're going to give some Irish Stout.
This is another pouch.
It's another Irish pouch.
This is another Craft Series pouch. So
I do think we've done this a long time ago in the past. But I've been looking for a good stout. I thought I'd give this one a go.
this is recipe number 18 Irish Stout with dry hops. Craft Series. Tasting notes: bitter coffee and chocolate roasted malt notes balanced by a subtle fruitiness with a lingering dry finish. 5%. Yeah, all the info on there again. I presume, like this with the last kit, you also need to add to it again.
You do indeed, sir. Yeah.
Okie dokie. Rightio.
And you can see it's nice, white, fluffy. Yeah.
I got my little, all of that on the side of the glass there. Look at that.
I've got some chocolate, some barley notes coming through, or roasted barley notes, should we say?
That's got the right smell to it, definitely, hasn't it? Yes.
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 Yes. Shall we go in?
Go in.
Cheers. I know what's wrong with that.
Yeah.
It's too sweet for you.
Black treacle, I've never been a fan.
It is a little bit bordering on that, it has to be said.
You need to take another mouthful, like that's. You need a whiplash. Right, okay.
I'm not a fan, don't get me wrong, but I think I can bear it more than you. It is alcoholic black treacle.
I can't stand black treacle. Black treacle to me is like.
It's like Marmite.
I love Marmite.
And I can't stand it. So there you go.
So not only is this black treacle, alcoholic black treacle, it's also got a very dry aftertaste. I'm not getting a lot of the coffee notes through.
It's like molasses, isn't it? Like, again, that sort of taste.
And if I'm honest, that tastes like homebrew.
I'm struggling to just get past the treacly sort of sugary taste sort of thing, you know. Syrupy.
I'm not liking that one.
Okey-dokey. I don't think he's going to get a very big mark from either of us, to be honest.
I'm back down like the Gosnell area. I'm down 6 or 7. Really.
I'm with him. It's a 6 for me, I think. I don't think I'd drink a pint of it, bro.
No. In fact, no.
Oh, it might be one destined for the old
He
drain.
might even have to go lower than a 6. He might be destined for one for the drain, you know.
Unless we can do anything, unless we can rescue it somehow, but I don't know.
How can you rescue it? It's made it.
Mix it with something else. Mix it with mango. Mix it with cider.
You mix it with cider. You could mix it with brown ale of some kind. If I had one on the go.
Something to lift it, wouldn't you?
And you can mix it with.
Yeah.
You can mix it anyway.
Yeah. And use it as a mixer.
There was one of my YouTube subscribers that say that if you got a really bad beer, try and mix it with another beer, and you might end up not pouring it down the sink.
Looking around and how much beer's going brewing in here, I think we could afford to pour it down the sink. Right then, bro.
Oh, crikey.
Third beer then.
Bro.
See if we can find a 10 out of 10 for my brother.
This is Hoppy Days.
This is Hoppy Days. This is Darkrock again. It's one of their one tin kit series, the session series. Hoppy Days IPA. There we go.
Just making sure I put it in the right glass there. I think I did.
Well, that's great. It's got a price on top, bro. They're $15.99, one of them. But I believe you're probably going to want one of these to go with it. A beer kit answer.
You are indeed, sir.
So one of those to go with it.
Yes.
And how much is a beer kit answer?
$5.99.
Okie dokie.
Sometimes it's on offer, sometimes it is at $4.99.
Okay, so you're still looking about 21, 22 quid, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Rightio.
Rightio.
Hoppy Days, Darkrock, one tin kit.
On tin kit, nice and golden.
What's love of that, isn't it?
You getting a lot of those?
Not a huge amount. I mean, there is some citrusy notes there, isn't there? But it's not. Oh, it's better if you give it a bit of a swirl. A little bit.
Yes, fruit coming through there now, yeah.
More fruity than hoppy, though.
Yeah, more fruity than hoppy. Yeah,
I'd say.
I was saying, more
Yeah.
fruity.
Cheers.
Cheers. Perfectly reasonable good drink.
That's a nice beer.
That's a nice beer.
It's not a rock my socks off beer, but it's
It's
a
not a
very
rock
nice
my
beer.
socks off. I'm going to rush out and make this one again. But it's a good session beer.
No, you could quite happily sit around and drink that one afternoon and yeah, be quite happy about it.
It's nice. It is refreshing.
It's quite smooth.
It's quite smooth. And there's a nice fruitiness, I would
There
say.
is a nice fruitiness
almost
to it, yeah.
sweet fruitiness to it, isn't there? In the
Yeah,
background there.
it's not too dry. It's just a pleasant beer, isn't it? Yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
Still contains it's a 1 tin kit, even though it isn't. That's not bad. But I would have gone for a 9 out of 10, not a 10 out of 10.
I think it's not a 10 because it's not something that they go, oh, I must have that again. But it is a good beer.
It's a good beer.
So yeah, I'll be with you. No, it's a solid 9.
It's a solid 9, so no new beers. The 12 beer kits of partridge extract. But there has been some movement on the 12 beer kits of partridge.
That was the lamest drum roll ever. I do apologise.
What's your drumming? What was that?
That was my drum roll. Yes,
Really?
that was my drum
Yeah,
roll.
you're
Sorry.
rest or something.
Anyway, we've got something changed down the board here at number 9, bro.
Yeah, we've put the Munton's flagship range, the American Amber Ale.
I agree with that.
That
Yeah.
last week was really
Yeah.
nice, really smooth.
It was.
Well balanced hoppiness and maltiness
It
today.
didn't last long. It didn't last long. We seem to have got something shot right up the board into
So
number
we
3
moved the
spot.
Citra up. Everybody agreed it was a really, really good mouthful feel.
Yeah.
Really good citron notes. Really clear beer.
And that's
really
a 1 tin
nice.
kit again, isn't
Yeah,
it? At number 3.
yeah.
Dear Lord.
Don't forget there's some more new kits coming out, so the board could change.
Yeah.
And that could go down, up, or anything
Yeah.
like that.
We have an ongoing up and down situation, don't we?
Yeah.
We've still got a spot for it as well.
Still got a spot for it. We're still looking for that elusive 10 out of 10. Let's make it again.
Number
Let's get
2.
on the list.
Yeah. Lovely jubbly. Well, will it be next time?
I don't know.
Shall I have a look?
Have a look what's coming next time, bro.
Next time we've got Malt. Oh God. Malt Miller, Dennis King,
Yes.
Sentinel Delight.
You got it in one.
That's not the. Doesn't roll off the tongue, does it?
No.
It's Dennis King the brewer.
Yes.
Okie dokie. Righto.
It's quite famous, makes quite a few kits, Dennis King. So this is one I got from, I think it's his latest one. One of his latest ones. So.
Okie dokie. Darkrock New Zealand Pils.
There's another one of those little, like we just had,
Yeah.
one 10 session series.
Okay. We're not going back to Gosdoer again, are we?
Got to give it a go, haven't we?
Gosdoer?
We've got to give
Best
these people,
beer.
we've got to give these people an honest review.
Hey, we're giving them a chance, aren't we? You know what
This is
I'm saying?
actually just I say a 1 tin kit. So you buy the best bitter,
Yes.
but they're actually also doing at brew to bottle. They're actually also doing the Gosdoer malt extract. So you've kind of got 2 tins.
Okay. So it's 2 tickets. Okay. I'll see what that
You see what I'm saying there? Got it?
Yeah. So there was a 10 out of 10 for me tonight, but none from you, Brian.
No.
Shocking.
Shocking.
So
yours was the mango?
yeah, I did love that. Yeah, I'm going back to that.
I mean, if mango's your thing, it's always been rose, get out there and make it. I know there's a lot of people in the homebrew community will say, I don't know what I'm talking about. But for me, it's just not for me.
I can get why, and I know why, because I know your taste palette a bit, but that's right up my street. I like that. Yeah, definitely. Thank you to all those people that are subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you're watching us on anywhere else, it's down here. Subscribe, please, on the old YouTube.
Please do indeed.
Yeah.
If you are watching us in another group like the homebrewing community or pub shows or anything like that, please also go over to YouTube and press the subscribe.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.
And thanks for your comments.
Yes, thank you very much. All your comments are very much appreciated.
Yeah. Is that it, bro?
That's about it. So
Right.
until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the Queen!
Ooh.